So guys, wala muna tayong dayo ngayon. Manonood tayo ng NBA Cup Finals. Yan, magkalaban Spurs tsaka Knicks. Nakalagay tayo sa Knicks, -3, maliit lang. So pag manalo tayo, mamimigay tayo ng bola sa mga mag-share. Let's go! Game, 3 minutes na lang. Tamang tayo 5.
Brunson shakes him off. Swings for Hart. 5 to shoot. Hart gonna do it himself.
Josh Hart!
Josh Hart connects from range.
Just got back in the game.
Shooter, kukunin ko to sa team. Josh Hart. Usuan nyo lang guys.
Their largest lead of the night. 8.
Uy, Harper.
Oh no! That's his fourth one tonight. He had made 10 on the season.
Patay pumatay sunog yun ah.
115 to 110. Knicks. He lost the ball.
Walang foul?
That's the most important thing right there, coach. You hit a big shot,
Ay.
but to get back your guard Brunson right there, to get that turnover right there, that's going to get you on the court and keep you on the court, no matter how many threes you make.
Absolutely, and the maturity to not celebrate the three, but get right into it, and that was great.
Dapat lamang tayo 4. 5 lang lamang, 2 minutes 29.
Yeah, he's at the
Wemby, huwag ka muna Wemby. Yun!
off the heel.
Ay, ito Harper talaga.
When he plays, young fellow.
Harper can't finish it.
Nilaki Pinoy kasi yan eh. Naglag.
Hooks a pass to the corner.
Anunoby! BAM! Hello!
118 to 110. 28 for OG. Wemby
Yun, sablay.
Anunoby couldn't grab it. Out of bounds.
Yun!
Of the Spurs.
Nice Hart.
Defended by Wembanyama.
Josh Hart versus Wemby.
1 minute to go.
Ubus oras lang, ubus oras.
His dad's happier. He's gonna get a really nice.
Bigyan mo muna sa anak ni Lebron.
Is down to 4.
Anak ni Lebron for 3. Tapos,
And rebound
grabe
by
talaga
Gasol.
to.
Towns hits
Yun, jump ball lang, jump ball lang.
54.5. Towns jumping it up.
Nice one.
Kolek, and he
Ang haba talaga ni Wemby. Hayop naman yan.
And now the Spurs are on the move.
Box, mamaya na box. Mamaya na box.
To 3.
Nice.
Off the rim. Hart flies in for the rebound.
Never a doubt with Josh Hart.
40 seconds.
Get that rebound.
Yes, he
Ah.
is.
Anunoby.
Awak lang, ubus oras na.
Keep away and a foul is called.
Yun.
Kolek to the 50 line. 34.
They like Jerry Maguire.
Liwete, pogi oh. Pogi.
And you know what? It's
Bang!
doing it just on this.
Napatay yung mic, sayang.
OG Anunoby's probably the MVP.
Hart no.
Think Jalen
Money, money, money.
for the Emirates Cup. He came in as the leading scorer. He's had another big game. I think we'll see him get that award tonight.
Just gave you the show me the money signal.
Hard sign na, money money pa kay Josh Hart. Sabali mo muna.
So 3
Nice.
to go.
Uy.
Anunoby claims it.
Ah, sino pa oh? Sino mo ba?
He's gonna lay it in with 21.3 left.
He's got 13
Woo!
points,
Nice game, nice game.
4 assists,
Grabe shooting nito ni Harper.
over tonight.
Pinoy kasi, Pinoy. Yan ba yung Pinoy? Tama na.
3, we've got 10 seconds to go. Anunoby to Kolek inside.
Nice.
He's still throwing for the dip. It's over.
And that's 5 assists for Cole.
Ano ng 11.
We'll dribble it out.
Nakakatakot kalaban si Wemby tsaka si Fox. Nice game. Naglag pa oh.
NBA Cup.
Oh, sa mga mag-share. Mag-raffle tayo mamaya ng bola kasi panalo tayo. Let's go. Shoutout kay Boss P, Paldo.
Adam Silver and the NBA office for the
Almusal na tayo guys. Ano oras na?
idea of the NBA Cup.
Mas 12 na pala. Bye-bye, cash out.